In this video we learn all about where can I find my Facebook settings. To find your settings, click Account in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. Click on the setting that you'd like to update from the options in the left sidebar. Settings include things such as General, edit the basics, such as your name, username, or email address. Security and Login, here you can change your password, and turn on alerts and approvals to keep your account secure. The next one is your Facebook information. Privacy, adjust who can see things, such as who can see your future posts and who can look you up. Face recognition setting. The face recognition setting is no longer available and the experiences it made possible have been disabled. If your setting was turned on, Facebook can no longer recognize you and your template will soon be deleted. Profile and tagging, set who can see things on your timeline and who can see things that you're tagged in. The next one is public post filters and tools. Blocking is the next. Blocking, manage who and what you block. Location settings is the next in setting option that allows you to set your location. In the next language and region, select things such as the language and date format that you want to use for Facebook. Stories settings is the next one. Next you can see the notification option. Then in next you can change or add your mobile number. The next one is AP and websites. And in the next option you can see the game options. Here you can change game settings. After this you can see business integrations. And the next one is ads. Here you can set you ad advertisement for your business. And the next is add payment. In the next option you can see the support inbox option, to report anything. And the last option is about video, where you can change the video settings of Facebook. This is all about Facebook setting. If you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching.